Today we will revise and then learn new colors. Let's revise day 1. Before red. Apple is red. Before blue. Sky is blue. Before yellow. Sun is yellow. Now let's revise day 2. Before green. Leaf is green. Before orange. Carrot is orange. Before purple. Grapes are purple. Now let's learn day 3 new lesson. Red and yellow make orange. Blue and yellow make green. Now let's revise all colors together again. Red apple is red. Blue sky is blue. Yellow sun is yellow. Green leaf is green. Orange carrot is orange. Purple grapes are purple. Red and yellow make orange. Blue and yellow make green. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Child Learning School, and press the bell icon so that you get the new videos on time.